Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Today we're talking about Shiba Inu. Also, I'm giving away $1,000 of the coin of your choice to 10 people. All you have to do is subscribe with the notifications turned on, leave a like, join my free Discord and Telegram. It's called Moonbaggers. A bunch of great traders and some of the cryptos we've even talked about have gone up 1,000x. Follow all the steps to win $1,000. So we're looking at Shiba Inu today. We can see in the last 7 days that we're down quite a bit, but one thing I want to tell you guys about, when you guys see a price change of minus 23% in the last 24 hours, I just want to tell you guys that you guys don't really have to worry super much, because look, BTC is down a lot, and when BTC and Ethereum and all the big coins are down, you know, the altcoins tend to follow. That seems to be what's happening right now. There's a trading volume of a 76% increase in the last 24 hours, which is telling me that people are willing to buy it at the dip. So that's actually really good for the coin, that the volume is up, the trading volume is up in the last 24 hours, because that means people are willing to buy it at a better price. And this is pretty bullish for Shiba Inu, I will say. Now, it is looking rough today, but I wouldn't worry too much, because again, you know, these altcoins tend to follow Bitcoin and just the market in general as well. And right now, it's not looking too hot for crypto. But I wouldn't worry about that too much, guys. You know, there's always going to be a recovery in the near future, but right now it's just not looking too great. In the last month, it's kind of just consolidated at this price range, but now we're kind of seeing a dip off, and hopefully it will recover soon. There's no way of predicting this kind of thing, but I think it will recover quite soon. The only thing that kind of worries me is it kind of broke this support line right here that I drew out earlier in this week. Now we could see that here is where it tested the support last time, and it bounced off each time, but right now it hasn't bounced off yet, and we're still trading right here, and it's below the support line, which is a little bit scary. But you know, same thing with BTC as well, so that's something to consider. I think that, you know, you guys shouldn't be worried unless it goes down a bit more, and if it goes down without recovery, that's when it tends to get bad. Now I think it will be good pretty soon, but we'll have to see. Now there is a few catalysts coming up though, like shibaswap is any day now coming out soon, and also the adoption of BTC in South America. Those are all great news, and I think in the near future we'll see a recovery of BTC, and when that happens, I think we'll see a recovery of SHIB and the whole crypto market in general, not to mention. Now we do need to break these resistance levels if you guys want to see this coin go to the moon and even test all-time highs. Now part of the reason I think that the price moved down 23% in one day is due to, you know, whale manipulation of the market. Now I think that a lot of these whales are selling it when it's high and buying it for a cheaper price from you guys who are getting scared, selling it for a low price, and they're happy to buy it up. Now I think that they are going to hold through this, and I think you guys should hold through this if you guys, you know, want to come out on top. I don't think the market's gonna crash, but it's always good to hold your position even if it's dipping, especially at a dip that's not that crazy, and that the fact that Shiba Inu also follows the market when the market is also down. You know, it doesn't seem that bad for Shiba Inu to also be down, but that's not really financial advice. That's just kind of more of just a suggestion. Now if we can look here though, the biggest Shiba holders are still holding, and if we can look at their analytics, you know, they've only shed a few coins here. We got, you know, an increase here, and they're still holding. So if the top guys in Shiba Inu are still holding their Shiba Inu, then, you know, I wouldn't be too worried, because these people, you know, they would have probably sold if they thought something was actually going to go wrong. Now if you guys want to see, we could also just click on a different holder, another whale that we can find. So let's just click a random one. We could click right here. This guy has $129 million worth of Shiba Inu, and if we click here, we can look at analytics and see if he's actually sold any. And I'm pretty sure he probably hasn't, because, you know, I'm sure that he's confident and just, you know, accepting of the dip. But we could see here that, yeah, he's still holding all of his, you know, Shiba Inu. He bought it Monday, the 24th of May, and he hasn't sold any. So it's kind of just stayed the same over time. So if these whales aren't selling, then why should you guys? I mean, I wouldn't be too worried, but yeah, a lot of community and market support of this coin. People are willing to buy it for a lower price as well. And I think if you guys want to hold Shiba Inu long term, here's your dip opportunity to buy. But again, that's not financial advice. I'm just a guy on my computer. People are hyped up on the fact that Shiba Inu might come to Robinhood, and I think that eventually it will. I think if it gets listed on Coinbase or Robinhood, the other one will follow. So if it gets listed on Coinbase, I'm pretty sure that it would also get listed on Robinhood. And a lot of people are blaming Elon for this market crash in crypto, And here are some words from Vitalik. He said Elon is not going to have this influence forever, and this is kind of true. I think people are starting to take Elon less seriously because of all this market manipulation and, you know, this pumping of Dogecoin and whatnot. I think that he's kind of making a clown of himself, and I think people are losing respect for Elon each and every day. And people like Vitalik are gaining more respect because people like Vitalik are actually shedding a good light on crypto. But let me know what you guys think. Are you still holding Shiba Inu? Make sure you guys join that Discord and Telegram. Again, all you have to do is subscribe with those notifications turned on, leave a like, and just join the Discord and Telegram. It's free. Thank you guys. This has been Crypto Cash. I'm out.